What's good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a few days since I posted, but today is finally the day that I'm about to drop off my car to get boosted. I got all the parts right here just sitting on the ground. I'm gonna have to load them into my car, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go to my tuner, and he does this type of stuff, so I'd rather take it to somebody with experience and stuff. So I mean, I'm gonna try to help out as much as I possibly can, but for the most part, it's gonna be over at his place or at his shop. All right, so just review a little bit of the parts. Every box is pretty much open. This is the intercooler. Let me might as well just show you guys everything real quick before I take it, so you guys know what the kit that I went with. It is the Rev 9 single turbo kit. I've heard pretty good things, heard some bad things, but overall, the good outweighs the bad. So that's why I decided to, go with this kit. Let me see, go over this. This is pretty much just the pipings, some of the piping. Hardware in there. Yes, pretty much all the piping. And then let me move this out the way real quick. So here you got more piping, oil feed lines, freaking clamps, and there's couplers in there too, also in the bottom. And then here, so right here, we got the wastegate. That's pretty much that. Okay, so this is the Turbonetics Rev 9 turbo kit. Like I said, they actually make two different turbos. This is, the better option, obviously, so I went with this. I didn't record it, I don't know why, but here it is. Alright, so everything's pretty much loaded into the car. I'll give you guys, the last cold start being in it. Last cold start. Dang, it's tough. All right, so everything's in the car. I'm gonna meet up with my guy Josh, and he's gonna follow me to drop off my car, so I have a ride back. So, yep, everything is in here. We ready. I do gotta show y'all something that I did though to the interior. Oh shit, y'all might have seen it. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably seen it. I posted it on my story. But bang, yes sir. Got the doubled in carbon fiber. It's wrap. It's wrap. I'm not gonna cap. I'm not about to cap to y'all. This is wrap. I wrapped it myself. Didn't do that bad of a job. It looks pretty, pretty good. It's not that bad. But I like having the doubled in so much better. Like it looks so much better. But I'm happy with how that came out. So that's pretty lit. But with that being said, let's get on the road so I can, drop off my car. gonna be sitting here for, or it's gonna be at this shop for a week, for a few days. I'm gonna check in, you know, as much as I can. But, you know, this is Adrian's shop, my tuner shop over here. But I'll see you in a few days, my guy. So it's been about like 3 days since I dropped my car off, and I had to pull up, I had to come back to the shop because the V-bends were not in the kit, and I had to reach out, you know, to the company that sold me the kit so that I could get it. So they were able to, you know, send these out to me. So the car is in there right now. Doesn't really have much done to it just because, you know, we're missing these. But I'm here right now, so I had to drop these off. Alright, so the turbo's in. Or it's not in, but it's just, you know, sitting right there. Like I said, there's not much done to it right now. Since the V-bands are here, probably give it a few days. And then, you know, hopefully she'll be on the road. But for right now, she's just sitting. Turn around, you butt. Got Mr. Kazi giving me a ride since I don't have a daily right now. I'm looking for one though. He wants to boost it too, low-key. Telling me shit. So it's you know, later in the day, and I'm actually selling my old exhaust setup. I'm selling my art pipes right here on the, you know, on the ground. I have a buyer coming to get it right now, and yeah. Gonna miss these, but on to better things. Okay, so I sold my art pipes right now, and you know, I'm selling some other parts as well off of my G, such as, you know, the Y pipe, the E85 kit, you know, the injectors and the fuel pump. The injectors are GTR injectors, the 550 cc, and it's a 255 Walbro fuel pump that I'm also selling. So that, and I'm also selling my intake, and that's pretty much it. So, you know, I'm not gonna need any of it anymore, obviously. So yeah, all that stuff is pretty much for sale. And as far as the G goes, hopefully, you know, early next week, or, you know, this weekend, it'll be, you know, finished. So the next time I post a video, it's gonna be, you know, when the G's done, like when the kit's on, and when I'm, you know, getting it tuned. So yeah, can't wait for it. I appreciate all you guys watching. You know, like, sub, comment, you know, subscribe if you're new. And I'll see y'all in the next one.